So hi guys, we are going to start our session. I hope that you enjoyed our previous some videos. So this video we will be focusing on Tabata training. So it is going to be more dynamic. I will explain you later what is meant by Tabata training. So I hope that you are physically medically fit for this kind of high intensity trainings, and if you are ready, then keep your water bottles handy with you, your napkin close to you, then we can start our session. And so get ready. 1 2 3 start. So we'll start our session. We'll open up your body by just loosening up our body by rotating our shoulder, loosening our foot, and we are going to start some high intensity exercises. So get ready. So we also need some kind of breathing. So we will take deep breathe from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. This we will do 3 to 4 times. Now let's start with jumping. So just normal jumping. So slowly try to increase the height, and this one you have to do 20 to 30 times. Then we will change our jumping. We will do front and back jumping. So this jumping also we have to do 20 to 30 times. So this combination of normal jumping and front and back, we can go for 3 rounds, and this will be a quick warm up before we go to more high intensity exercises. So in this exercise we have to twist our body. So we are kicking our knees towards the opposite shoulder, so as you can see in the video. So this one we have to do 10 times in each direction. So now move to high knees. So as you can see, keep your hand steady and raise your knees. So the height the height of the hand depend on your capacity. So this one we have to do 10 to 20 times. Now the hip touch, this one also we can do 10 to 20 times. I would advise for 30-30 if possible. You can go for 2 to 3 rounds. Now take a deep breathe again. Breathe from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. 3-4 times we will do breathing before we move on to the next exercise. So next thing what we are going to do is Tabata training. So in this kind of training will have 5 exercises. Each exercise you will do for 30 seconds, and then there will be a 10-second break. Then the next exercise will come. So I will explain you what are the 5 exercises. So this 5 exercise set we have to do 3 such sets. So let's start with the exercises. The first exercise of this set is mountain climbers. So we will do 30 seconds. We will do some mountain climbers. Second exercise what we are going to do is jumping squats. So like this, jump and squat, jump and squat. Now our third exercise will be normal push-up. So we have to do normal push-ups. So this one we will do means as many as possible in 30 seconds. So our fourth exercise will be our This thing what we are going to do is our full plank, and then we'll go for elbow plank, full plank, elbow plank, full plank and elbow plank. And likewise the our fifth exercise will be normal sit-ups. As you can see here, we are folding it our legs and we are doing sit-ups. Let's start. Get ready and start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, go. So come on, push yourself hard. Try to do as many as mountain climber as much as possible in 30 seconds. Come on, push yourself hard. Come on, push. So try to do 30 in 30 seconds. If you can do more, that's good. So push yourself. Almost there. Come on. Don't stop. Don't hold anything. Put your all energy, and we are almost done. 3, 2, 1. So break. Come on, get ready, and 3, 2, 1, start. So do push-ups. So try to do as many as push-ups. You can go for 30 push-ups in 30 seconds as well. So push yourself hard, move fast, push hard. Come on, go for it. Come on, keep your body straight. Keep your body straight while doing push-up. And we are almost done. 30 seconds done with that. So now break. 10 seconds break. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Come on. Jump squats, jump squats, jump squats. So try to do as many as possible in 30 seconds. Try to do 30 minimum if possible. So jump squat, jump squat. Come on, push yourself. So 30 seconds, don't hold anything. Put your all effort in that, and we are almost done. So now break. So 10 seconds break. Now get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready. Come on. Do full plank, elbow plank, full plank, elbow plank, full plank, elbow plank. This one also try to do as many as possible. If you can go for 30, that's very good. So push yourself. Don't hold anything and push yourself hard. So these exercises are helping you to increase your endurance, and we are almost done. So get ready for the next exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Sit-ups. So try to do as many as sit-ups as possible. In this 30 seconds, you have to put your all effort. Don't hold anything. So try to do 30 sit-ups in 30 seconds, and that's something is not impossible. It's very much possible. So push yourself hard. Come on. So this is the last exercise of our first round. Push yourself hard. Come on, we are almost done. So this Tabata training, you have to go for 2 to 3 rounds. You can go for 5 rounds also. So this exercise is very good for increasing your endurance. As you might have observed while doing this, it asks for a lot of effort, and when you are running against the clock, you really put that much effort. It increases your capacity and endurance level. So you have to do 2 to 3 times minimum. Now we are done with our main exercises. Just relax, stretch your body, because in Tabata training we get exhausted, and this is how we are doing this stretching of your hamstring. And then the next exercise, you are just rotating your body, upper part of your body, just to relax it. Don't put a lot of effort, just comfortably rotate your body, and do this 10 times in each direction. Next we are just stretching our hands, relaxing our hands, which get exhausted because of the high intensity training we did in Tabata training. So we will do this 3 to 5 times. So next, more exercises. We are stretching our elbow on the opposite side as shown in video. So this one also 2 to 3 times, and don't be too hard, just do it comfortably and relax your neck muscle. You are rotating your head like this. So 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise is enough. Then we can go for the next few exercises. Just loosen up your body, relax your legs and rotate your shoulders. So this way just you are relaxing your body. So don't overstretch it, do it comfortably and relax. In the last, you can go for Shavasana. So Shavasana you can do for 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Just release your control over the body and relax. So we are done with our today's training, and I hope you enjoyed the training. So as you have seen, we are working on Tabata trainings. So there could be different kind of combination of exercises. You can choose your exercises, you can do the exercises in this way, but intensity is very important. And if you are increasing means intensity in that, your endurance level really increases very fast with Tabata training. So keep doing this at your home. Be strong and be safe.